while we're talking about LEDs and batteries and such, I want to highlight a super deal that Walmart sells. These things have been for sale in Walmart now for quite a while. They are $1. $1. I've got a bunch of them. I've never had one fail. They come with, of course, you know, this one anyway, comes with cheap Chinko batteries in it. But nonetheless, at least they come with batteries. Like I said, I've never had one fail. This one's brand new, I know, because I hadn't tore the tag off. So it's still got the plastic disc protecting the batteries. Let's see what kind of batteries are in this one. Same ones, Everbright. So, usually they are back in the hunting department, between the hunting and the automotive area there. There's just a box of these things, and I mean, I watched a lady walk up to this. She saw the price tag was $1. She picked it up. I must have moved the disc. There it is. She picked it up and put it back down, and I said, trust me, those are great lights. She said, for $1? I said, trust me, I've got a bunch of them. And she picked up like 5 or 6, like right then and there. And I mean, you can throw 1 or 2 in every vehicle. I've got them in cabinets. I've got these things in the bathroom, in the bedroom. I've got them everywhere. They're just they're handy as heck and cheap. So I guess I'd call it a product alert. I don't really know, you know, but they work. I've never had one fail, which is the big problem with cheap flashlights, is they just don't work. But these, if you put the batteries in correctly, are going to work for you. In my experience, they're going to work every time. Go get you some.